Hello, CEO coaches. I have an amazing content creation shortcut I bet you didn't know. So let me show you how to create 30 short form videos in 5 minutes or less. First, we're going to do is come to Canva and we're going to type in Instagram Reel template. Let's hit enter. We're going to select a simple template. Let's do this one. And we're going to click customize. And so what we want to do first is do all the customization to this one. So let's change the font, change it to this font. I'm going to keep the same coloring because we can change everything. And then I'm going to change this to my handle. I think I'm going to change the font to that one as well. Make it a little smaller. All right. And then I'm going to move this up about right here. Now, in this example of how you can create 30 reels in less than 5 minutes, the background video really doesn't matter because we're going to change all of that later. Once you're happy with the branding, the font choices, I think I might put a little extra here as well. Maybe put a background like so it pops a little bit. Next, I want you to go to your one post a day content calendar. In your one post a day content calendar, each day has a hook, as you remember. So what I want to do is just grab the hooks. So here's an easy thing that you can do. You can go to ChatGPT, hit the plus sign, and upload that PDF document. Then we're going to put this prompt. And as you see, the prompt was locate all the hooks in this document and list them below. These are the main hooks in the document right here. This is the main hook. Now, if you want to select the Empowerment Women hook, then you can ask it to only select those or the religion and faith base. So it's going to list out all 30 hooks. I wanted to select the main hook. Once I've done that, I'll come back to Canva and I'm going to go over here to apps. And then I'm going to click on apps. And then I'm going to do a search for bulk create. And as you can see, there it is. You click on bulk create. And then you click enter manually. And then you want to clear this table. And then you want to come back over to ChatGPT. And you want to highlight all 30 of these hooks. So that's what we're going to do. We'll highlight, hit copy. Then we're going to come back over here to Canva. At the top where this T is, I'm going to type in hooks because this is really important. And then I'm going to click paste. These are all the hooks that I copied from ChatGPT. I'm going to hit done. Next, I'm going to come back over to my main title where it says good morning, and I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click these three dots. Then I'm going to come down here and find connect data. And then you see this is the data that I want to connect to. Click that. And now it's going to pull up all of those hooks that I just put in that chart. The next step will be to hit continue. And then you'll see all of the hooks, all 30 of those hooks that I copied. And then I'm going to hit generate design. As you can see right here on the top, it says design created and saved in my projects. So you're going to click view in folder. And this is the bulk creation right here. It says bulk. And it's going to give me 30 reels all created in less than 5 minutes. Now, the next thing that you would need to do to be able to use these is go in and tweak and change. Like some of these are a little bigger and I want them to be smaller. So you can go in and do that. I can change the video. So I can go over here to elements and type in clutter. I'll type in the word clutter. See what pops up. Then I'm going to select videos. And then I am going to select a video. Let's do this one. Let's drag that in there. Okay. And now we got that text. This video needs to be darker. So let's hit adjust and make this a little darker so that you can see my text. I'm going to drag that down. I am going to make that just a little smaller. And make sure. If this doesn't work, you can always put a background behind it so you ensure that your text will be seen. So let's go back over here. Let's hit the shape. And I'm going to fill this right here. And I'm going to make this a tad bit transparent. Then I'm going to position it backwards. And now you can see my font even better. So that is how you can customize it. You can go through all of these and change the background if you like. Just make some quick little edits. You don't have to if you don't want to. They can be the same video. When you're ready to download, all you have to do is click on the video, go to share, go to download, make sure it says MP4, go here to the pages, and you want to only select the current page that you are viewing. For me, it's always the current page, so you can select that. Then I can hit done and then hit download. And then once it's downloaded, now I can upload it into any platform that allows short form videos, such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and probably some other platforms, Pinterest, Lemonade, etc. So that is how you can create 30 short form videos in less than 5 minutes. Have an awesome and blessed day.